I represent Lacoste, so I'll talk about my experiences with fashion and lifestyle brands. See, the topic today is the reality of the brand, reality of the retail, the experiences in the brand. The topic suggests that these are two different things. The retail is different and the brands are different. But in my view, these two things actually coexist. Retail cannot do without the brands, and brands cannot survive without the retail. Now, having said so, I would also like to draw a distinction between retail and the brand. And for that, I would go back a little bit past in the history. So in Indian scenario, till about early 90s, most of us or many of us would recall, if we were to buy a shirt, we would go to a neighborhood store where we would buy fabric, cloth. Then we would go to a trustworthy or a regular tailor and we'll get it stitched. The brand did not have so much of emphasis at that time. We all wanted a good product which fits us well, which lasts longer, and which is within the reasonable reach of the money that we had. Lacoste entered India at that time in early 90s, and I would tell you from our experience, we were seen as a polo-centric brand. And on top of it, we were seen as a very expensive brand. The market was very, very small. Only a few affluent people at that time who had exposure to international market, they would buy our product. But this entire thing changed in the last 1 decade. Around 2002 onwards, when Indian customers started going abroad, they got exposed to international markets and international brands, A, through media, B, through internet, and C, because of their own travel abroad. The customer started becoming very, very brand conscious. Now today if we see, the customer does not want to buy just a product. They don't want just a retailer to sell them. Everybody is very conscious. They want to look and feel good. They want to make their presence felt, whether it is in their office or the normal life. And hence, brands have become very, very important. The emphasis is more on brands rather than just the retailing. We all go and shop. We have a few brands in top of our mind that if I want to buy X product, I will go for this XYZ brand. If I want Y product, I'll go to this brand. This is the kind of evolution brands have seen over the past few years. So the customer's inclination now has changed from just going to a retailer to a brand. And that's the difference that most of us brands have seen in Indian market. Even from retailers' perspective, like I represent a brand, but at the same time I'm also a retailer. So when I see from a retailer's perspective, we also emphasize more on brand now rather than just the retail. So retail, of course, is there where you have to give a complete customer experience. But the emphasis is not on the product, but a brand, because that brand promises consistency, the brand promises quality, the brand promises assurance in terms of freshness and ensuring that whatever you get anywhere in the world, if it's an international brand, you get any product in Paris, you get the same product in USA, you get the same product in Delhi or in Bombay also. So the brand have become more powerful in customers' mind also and the retailer's mind also. So from that perspective, I would like to conclude saying that retail and brands do coexist today. Of course, the emphasis from retail has shifted or shifting towards brand more these days. Thank you.